clothes to do. So I'm gonna do these. About to fold these clothes up, guys. I was gonna take the curtains down in the living room, and I got to figure out how to unscrew the curtains in the living room so I can wash those up. Mom, because the kids, okay, it's just a card telling me about some new fruit and vegetable place that we're gonna check out. Thank you. Anyways, today has been a very long, a little bit stressful day. But I'm trying to make it so that my day won't be as stressful. So I've been trying to find ways to not make things where I get stressed. So I've been really working on it. I'm working on that a whole lot because I'm the type of person, I get stressed out very easily, and I'm working on it because that's not good. And sometimes when you have kids, you have anxiety because you want everything to just go well when it comes with your kids. Like, you don't want nothing to go wrong with your kids. So that's something I stress over, like making sure that my kids are good, because I don't want like anything crazy happening to them. Not that we putting them, that me or their dad put them in a position where anything crazy will happen, but I just sometimes just worry about my kids sometimes. But I try to teach them as much as I can, because the more you teach them, the more they'll know, But what I want to watch, like I like to watch, when I like to watch everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash all my curtains in the house. Like my room curtains, my living room curtains, and my bathroom curtains. I'm going to wash and dry them because I believe in keeping a really clean house. I believe if your house is clean, then if you keep your house clean and together, then everything else in your life will come together. As you know, you got to organize things and clean things and organize things. And that's what I'm always doing. I'm always cleaning, y'all. Always. Because I just refuse to just have a nasty house and not clean and stuff like that, because like a lot of people don't realize when they have a nasty house, like that creates a toxic environment for your kids. And if your kids don't see you cleaning, they're not gonna want to clean. Like, why would you expect your kids to be clean people, to grow up to be clean people, and you're not being clean? Like, you have to show them how to clean. I try my best to show my kids how to clean. I'm going to be teaching them how to cook. I already started showing them a little bit of things because I think that's clean and cooking. That's something I don't want them to grow up and not know how to cook or clean after themselves. I want my kids to be good when it comes to, stuff like that. I want them to know that. And I want to teach them how to be good to other people around them. So that's why I try to treat them the best way possible, because I want to show them how to treat others. I don't want them being mean to each other. Even though, they're siblings, they gon' fight, they gon' fuss and fight. Some days they're not gonna get along, and some days they are. But I just wanted to teach them what it's like to gather together all the time. Always, no matter what happens with each other, always try your best to come back to each other and come back. They'll be able to just have that bond with each other that will be like unbreakable. Like, no matter what happened, they're going to be there for each other. Because I know I'm not going to be here forever. I know that dad is not going to be here forever. So I want to put that in them. So later on in life, so that later on in life, there could be something that they take with them. Like, it'll be something they can take with them, y'all. It's something calming about putting on clothes, because today I had like a lot of anxiety today. And I've been praying against that anxiety and stuff, because I've been having a lot of anxiety lately. And I've just been praying against that. And this, actually folding these clothes and stuff, has helped me calm down a little bit, really. It has helped me get calm, because I'm not doing no real heavy cleaning right now. I had to make sure I mailed something off today. So, is that piece to that bed? Make sure it's not. I'm just asking that because you know why. They're supposed to be coming to fix their freaking bed. Hopefully they come and fix the freaking air in here, y'all. I've been having trouble with this company when it comes to like fixing things, and it is a little annoying. I'm not gonna even lie. And that, like, I'm just super duper excited, but I'm not gonna complain about too much, because I thank God we have somewhere to live. But if you're paying bills and paying to stay somewhere, anywhere you renting or anywhere, they should make sure they should be making sure that everything is fixed. And it's like annoying when they don't fix things. When you clearly ask them to fix something, they'll say, "Oh, I didn't see it in the system," when you type it in the system. So I just make sure I always have things on my end, because they will pretend like they don't know anything. And I'm not gonna even lie, I'm over this company, because they don't do what they need to do. I'm over them. Completely over them, y'all. I'm almost finished with this first basket, y'all. I'm almost done. I'm about to be putting some clothes up, y'all. Matter of fact, I done already started making, like, as I fold the clothes, I have my older kids put up the clothes, help me put up the clothes. And, you know, it's like a team effort. It's not like just me. I've been learning how to help myself too. See, the kids. And that's at the same time by me showing them how to organize. That's like showing them how to organize things in a way. I have them put up their clothes and their brothers' clothes. Just in a way to show. It's just a way of showing them how to organize. They already know how to make their beds already, and they make their beds pretty good. They know how to even clean their room really good. I mean, they know how to clean their room really good. Hold on, guys. I got to see what's going on with my 4-year-old, guys, because I hear him fussing. Okay, so I'm back. I had to check on my babies and see what was going on. I don't want to be like, never have like moments that I don't like pay attention to what's going on with my kids, because besides God and my fiance, like, and my parents, my kids are like the most important thing to me, people to me. So very important. And I got to make sure I do my best to take care of them all to the fullest. They are all, I feel like I am I know I am responsible for them all. So I'm going to take care of what God put me in charge of. So anyways, I'm about to have my son put these clothes up when I get finished folding this basket, so I can start on the next basket. I think it's just so, but my point is, I think it's, like if you don't have a clean house, I don't think it's good for your health. Like if you have a like dirty, stinky house, like how can that even be good for your health at all? So that's why I always try my best to be as clean as possible when it comes to this house, because it needs to stay clean for me and my family's sake. Y'all, I think my mom brought this for him last year, for Antoine last year for Christmas, I think, or his birthday. I'm trying to remember. But she always buy them clothes all the time, like clothes and underwear and things like that, like things that they need. Yes. Why you told me that and you didn't do what you were supposed to do? Why you told me that instead of you doing what you're supposed to be doing? You know better. All right. Got to go clean up a little explosion right now, and I'll be back, y'all. Or I might do, you know what? I might do another clean with me laundry video. So I'm going to end this right here, and I'm going to film another one of these for the other basket, y'all. So I'm going to stop right here, guys, and I'll see you guys in another video, in the next vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share me out, guys, on any social media platform you have. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you, guys. All. See you next vlog.